Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
हाँ हेमंत जी, yes, please share your feedback.
Yes, sir. I obtained many new information from.
पहले तो आई रिक्वेस्ट कि यू शुड इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ एंड देन शेयर फीडबैक. उसी का फीडबैक का वैल्यू होगा, आप समझ रहे हैं ना? नहीं तो लगेगा
Yes,
कि
sir. Yes, sir.
यस प्लीज.
Good evening, everybody. Myself, Dr. Hemant Kumar Mondal, working as an assistant professor in biology, both as well as theoretical and practical knowledge. It is a very informative session for me, and I can use many information for my uh, future research work also. I am doing also genomics and transcriptomics work, particularly microbes. So it will be very much benefited for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome. Sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Yes, madam. What is your feedback? Share your honest feedback.
Yes, sir. It's really very nice course, sir, what I have done. I come across that one few RNA content only. First, I will introduce myself. I'm Dr. Sirisha. I'm working as a research associate in Laila Academy, Hyderabad. So here I learned few RNAs only. What I studied from my MSc Biotechnology and PhD, I worked in ICM ICAR Institute, and I have done the genomics work. But DNA level I have done, but RNA level few things only I come across. After listening this course only, I thought RNA. What exactly that? What content will be sir is going to give that, but it is really enormous. And I cannot say that one I understood 100%, but more than 50%, 50 to 60 I could able to grab that. And I made 25 pages of notes, sir.
Very good.
200
So
pages
you
that.
are utilizing all batches, even in our recombinant DNA technology. Also,
Yes, sir.
Hemant ji is also participants of our recombinant DNA technology.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Being
sir.
teacher, you are utilizing and fully, and you are very dedicated to learn new
So
things.
every day, sir shared
And
his
आप
PPTs, but the content, even I also wrote some of the important points which are really interesting. Even yesterday and daily basis, a few things I told to my students that I am doing some course in RNA, and really it is a very fetching for me. And people, please go and do research in RNA technology. And here I don't think so that one sir also told here in India the spatial transcriptomics not yet started. Better go for the advanced techniques, because still we are at the back. Now we have to learn more and more, and we have to progress in research. So I said that one. And Joshi sir has given the nice explanation, and which he gave a lot of inspiration to me to learn the new technique. RNA transcriptomics really helpful,
at
sir.
least, madam, you can apply for teaching. At
Yes,
least,
sir. I will add
teaching.
this one in the even my subject also, because of
Yes,
BOS Board of Studies, when we will go for that one. Few things, not much, but
yes,
one or
few
two
thing,
things
at
I
least
will
few thing.
include
Yes.
in that. I planned also for that. So really very interesting, and I learned more, sir. And I'm
एडवांस
very thankful
टेक्निक
to
अगर
Joshi,
हमारे
sir.
बच्चे को थोड़ा सी भी प्राइमिंग हो जाएगा बीएससी एमएससी में, देन आफ्टर फ्यू ईयर दे कैन, है ना, ऑप्ट एंड दे कैन डू दैट रिसर्च, है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सो टीचर का लर्निंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एक टीचर मींस हंड्रेड्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर लर्निंग इन फ्यू
Yes,
इयर्स,
sir.
है ना?
Gopal sir, because of you, I joined in this series, dialogue series.
हाँ,
And
लास्ट
really, I'm
लास्ट
very
लास्ट
much
में मैंने
thankful
आपको
to
बोला
you.
था. यस,
Yeah, I am very much thankful to you that
थैंक यू
you
मैडम, यू आर
introduced
सो
so
कीप
many
इन टच.
advanced
यस,
topics, which
यस, यस.
really making me to do more work, because even our college also provided some seed money. Now I'm planning that little works of this will be help. because to give students so to learn that particular content. So I'm very
Yes.
much grateful and thankful to Joshi sir as well as the Gopal sir, because through Gopal sir I joined this course, and thank you so much, Joshi sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
madam.
so much.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, yes,
Hello.
Madhubala,
Yes,
बताइए.
hello.
I am Madhubala Kumari. I am also research scholar from Magad University. This class was very informative. I learned many new things about RNA technique and application. मैं और आपसे ये नहीं मैंने आप जितना डीपली पढ़ा है उतना मैंने नहीं पढ़ा था, और मैंने इसके बारे में इतना नहीं मैंने जाना था कि आप इतना डीपली पढ़ाइएगा। हमने समझा था कि आप जैसे हमने पढ़ा है वैसे ही आप
आप भी शॉर्ट नोट बना के मधुबाला रखिए, और हो सके तो उसको अपने लैंग्वेज में करके आप भी बताइए अपने बीएससी स्टूडेंट जो फ्रेंड सर्किल में ही हो, मान लो आप नहीं
Yes.
कोचिंग कर रहे हैं, तो वो प्रैक्टिस होगा, एंड देन व्हेनेवर यू स्टक कि समझ नहीं आया, देन यू कैन कनेक्ट, है ना, विद पार्थ सर.
Yes,
तो उससे
sir.
क्या होगा,
Sir.
प्रैक्टिस होगा उसका, है ना.
यस सर. सर आप वो क्या कह देते हैं, और हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि हम लोग भी अपने आप को कैसे मैंने आपकी तरह आपके लेवल पे जाएं, ये भी हम लोग को गाइड करें तो और अच्छा रहेगा.
बिल्कुल गाइड करेंगे, टच में है ना.
यस सर.
रहिएगा, आपका
Yes.
जहाँ स्टक होगा वहां पर करेंगे वो तो जर्मनी
Yes, sir.
गए थे, और इंडिया का दुर्भाग्य है कि इनका नॉलेज का यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पा रहा है इंडिया, आप समझ रहे हैं आप. He is here since a few years after completing his PhD, but he is not getting that much facility या opportunity. ये लॉस है इंडिया के लिए कि इन्होंने जितना सीखा अपने पीएचडी में वो यूटिलाइज नहीं हो रहा है.
So basically here, I mean, all these techniques I know practically. It's not only theoretical. All the
Yes.
techniques which I taught you, I know it practically because I've done it myself. So I want to bring those in India. But
Yes.
here, even in my previous organization where I was working in India, there was no facility or lack of funds, So I could not bring those techniques practically. So that is the main challenge that I'm facing.
Yes.
Sir, Hargovind Khurana sir also left like that only, sir. The eminent people are doing that one only, because India is not providing much funding for the research, and they are providing for some other
Funding
things.
and so many discrepancies in recruitment, so many things, multiple things. We cannot discuss everything here, but there are so many hurdles.
Yes, sir.
Good peoples are not getting an opportunity.
Oh,
What
but,
about other participants?
sir, I will take your email address so that
Yes,
any
email address, phone number सब मैडम मिल जाएगा, है ना.
international seminar something, so people can learn these techniques, that will be very
Yes,
much
so you
helpful.
can
Yes,
invite him also. या वहाँ कोर्स या आप जो ऑफलाइन मैडम अगर करवा पाए वो
हाँ,
भी
sir.
करवा सकते हैं ना.
Sure, sir. Definitely. I will add, sir. And yours and sir, definitely we will go by that, sir.
करवाइए वहां पर, में हम लोग जाके करवाएं, बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा, है ना.
हाँ, sir.
yes, yes.
Thank you, sir.
नसरीन मैडम, डॉक्टर नसरीन मुंशी, डॉक्टर पोडामेकला. हेलो. Any other participants, please share your honest feedback.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Yes.
I'm grateful to have been part of this program. My name is Dr. Peter Chineduagu. I work as a lecturer in the Department of Biochemistry, Evangel University, Nigeria, and currently doing a fellowship program in China, College of Pharmaceutical Science, Southwest University, Chongqing, China. So I'm currently connecting from China, and I'm a life member of a BioClus organization. When Prash recommended this program, I immediately pick up interest, and I can say that I got all I wanted, especially RT-qPCR, which is part of my current experiment. I have a better insight because it's first time trying RNA study. All the while, it's been about measuring protein enzyme in biological sample, but this time around, I have interest to measure RNA expression and qPCR using qPCR in treated and non-treated sample. So this is very informative, and maybe in the future I will reach out to your team for this type of training in African Life Science RNA Saloon, where I am a founding member. Our team is promoting RNA research in Africa, and I hope this will be one of the ways to collaborate. So I am grateful. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, 2023. Yes, that's correct. So I think we'll conduct this more frequently because the responses are quite good. So
Sure.
Sir, I'm on the way, sir.
Okay, you are on the way. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Okay,
Good.
thank you.
Hello, Dr. Gopal.
जी मैडम, Please.
Sorry,
Yes, sir.
I could not reply because I was late to join and then I was attempting the quiz.
हो
Yeah,
गया ना
ma'am.
completed?
My daughter was going
Yes.
to Hyderabad. That's why I'm late joining.
Yes, so that is why I was not able to, parallelly switch to the chat mode
So now
as well as
submitted,
attempt the question. That is why.
quiz submitted, madam, Nasreen madam.
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
submitted.
I quickly completed my exam, sir.
Good. So now one by one. Yes, madam. Good evening.
Yes, it was a very nice experience, and Parth sir has really, explained everything in detail and with the very much basics, starting from the very much basics. And I had also asked few of the questions which he had addressed. So thank you very much, sir. So,
अपना
and
introduction दे दीजिए
Gopal sir,
madam.
thank you very much for arranging such kind of a program and being proactive in all connecting such kind of activities.
शायद एक आध बार क्लास एमएससी में आप मेरा ली होंगी, मैं भूल रहा हूँ शायद.
thank you.
Yes.
इंट्रोड्यूस करिए मैडम,
So
आप
that is
बताइए नहीं
long back.
मैडम.
Yeah, that is long back, more than 23 years back.
Yes.
You're talking about.
Yes. So please introduce madam, Nasreen madam.
Hello, I'm Dr. Nasreen Munshi. I'm working as a faculty at Nirma University Institute of Science, and basically I'm a PhD in microbiology and working in the field of environmental biotechnology, environmental microbiology, bioremediation aspect, and focusing on the important type of pollutants which are aromatic hydrocarbon pollutants. So I'm working on the bioremediation of hydrocarbon pollutants from industrial wastewater, then monitoring of aromatic hydrocarbon pollutants using genetically modified organisms and genetically engineered organisms, which are basically termed as biosensors. So I'm working on whole cell based biosensors also. And the third aspect is microbial fuel cell. So some leads I have obtained and a couple of projects been over in the field of hydrocarbon bioremediation with the help of microbial fuel cell parallel to electricity generation. So a bit 2 to 3 different fields, interdisciplinary fields are there where we are collaborating with the engineers, electrical engineers, as well as the civil engineers for the conversion.
आवाज चली गई ना?
So that is a recent project being sanctioned. So some of the projects which are going on.
Good.
So this kind of workshop really interested me to learn more about the technology and techniques which we have not learned actually during our academic times. So this
होता
was
ही नहीं
really
था,
very.
बहुत एडवांस टेक्निक है और उस टाइम
अरे!
सुविधा कहाँ है, सुविधा भी नहीं है यहाँ पर. मैं तो अभी भी हम जो 20 साल पहले क्लोनिंग की, वो क्लोनिंग की सुविधा नहीं है. बाकी तो आरएनए तो और भी अच्छी सुविधाएं चाहिए.
हाँ नहीं सही बात है. But this was very good exposure.
पार्टिसिपेंट्स कम
Thank
भी
you
हैं,
so
पार्थ
much.
जी थे कि बहुत कम पार्टिसिपेंट्स हुए, बट देखिए पार्टिसिपेंट्स कम भी हैं, बट दे आर वेरी सीनियर एंड दे आर टीचिंग सिंस सेवरल इयर्स।
Yes, yes.
पार्थ जी अभी अहमदाबाद में ही थे कुछ दिन, 1 साल।
Oh, is it? So
हाँ
do visit to Ahmedabad. Do visit to like
Yeah,
Nirma
actually, I'm
University.
still in Ahmedabad only. I'm in
Okay, you are
Ahmedabad
here.
only. Yeah,
So do
actually,
come
I
to
live
Nirma
very.
if you have some
Actually,
time.
so actually, I used to come to Nirma to do flow cytometry and fluorescence microscopy analysis. So I'm staying very close to Nirma University.
Oh, is it? Okay,
Yes,
so hopefully whenever you come, do give it a visit, no?
sure, definitely, yes.
गुड
Okay.
गुड, थैंक यू मैडम, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग।
Thank
व्हाट
you.
अबाउट, यस
వేసి ఇంత దాకా ఏం మచ్చాలన్నా
you have reached Uma, Dr. Uma, Dr. Mobi Saira, हाँ, have you reached your destination or still traveling? Hello, Dr. Mobi Saira, Indubala, Kashish,
So 8 people have shared
Sir,
the
I wrote the
feedback in the
exam, sir.
Google form.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
8 people have shared the feedback form.
So feedback, that written feedback is necessary. So based on your name, उसमें जो आपका क्लियर कट नाम है उसी बेसिस पर सर्टिफिकेट आपको मिलेगा. So don't forget to fill that. आप उसमें भी फीडबैक जो भी लिखना है, क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत लोग नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं, so you must fill that feedback also. And here oral feedback is required for motivation of a speaker, resource person and me also, whether we are doing good job or not. You know, all know that 25 people have registered, so overall 10,000 rupees earning, and you can see here 15 hours of lecture, and there are so many things. So you must share your feedback so that that will give us energy to do more and do better. Otherwise people, how people will give, है ना? एक जो लेबर होता है, चीप लेबर का भी जो आजकल देखिए कैसा होता है. बट सिंस वी आर मोटिवेटेड, वी आर कंडक्टिंग. हमने बहुत फ्री लेक्चर भी करवाया, चित्ता मैडम ने लिया है, बहुत सारे लोगों ने लिया है. So you should not hesitate to share your feedback, honest feedback. Sometimes that gives us energy, and sometimes we also get opportunity to improve if there is some loopholes. So in all batches, as you all know that, most of you know that we have conducted 29 batches of this recombinant DNA technology course, 8 batches of genomics and proteomics. In all batches we take feedback, and there is no creation of platform की feedback पहले से बता के या कुछ नहीं, random feedback, so that we will get real feedback. And this is good for other, क्योंकि knowledge dissemination के लिए hurdle है ये भी कि जो लोग अच्छा सुनते हैं या जो अच्छा गेन होता है, अगर चीप है रेट किसी कोर्स का, so they don't convey to other also. That is also hurdle, resistance. So उसके लिए कभी कभी इस फीडबैक का भी यूज किया जाता है कि यस हमारे पास जेम है, बट वी आर नॉट यूटिलाइजिंग दैट जेम. हाउ कैन वी यूटिलाइज दैट जेम? सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट प्लेटफॉर्म, है ना, ताकि वहां जो लर्नर है वो भी आ पाए, और जो हमारे जो है ना एक्सपर्ट हैं वो भी वहां पर में कहीं पर कोने में हैं, उनको प्लेटफॉर्म मिले, सो दैट कैन डिसेमिनेट. एटलीस्ट 25 लोग नॉलेज गेन कर रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छा है, और उनसे फिर दूसरे स्टूडेंट में जाएगा. सो फीडबैक इज ऑल्सो, इट विल फैसिलिटेट, है ना, इन डिसेमिनेशन ऑफ नॉलेज. इसीलिए ये चाहिए. स्मृति, don't hesitate if you have attended all the lectures, so don't hesitate to share. Okay, और कोई नहीं? All
So I will
doctor,
keep the feedback form open. 11 people have filled it up.
yes,
In
yes,
WhatsApp also I have shared the link.
okay,
So whenever you have time.
fine. अच्छा है, प्रोफेसर सबका फीडबैक मिल गया, ओरल फीडबैक, that is
Yes, yes.
good, but I expect कि more people should share oral feedback. हेमंत जी भी पारुल में हैं, चित्रा मैडम वो हैं, नसरीन मैडम इधर, है ना, नाइजीरिया. डॉक्टर मोबी सैरा इज ऑल्सो, है ना, MBBS, and then, है ना, he is doing research, MBBS and I think MSMD also. Mobi Saira, fine. So एग्जाम सबका हो गया.
Yes.
So I request those who are new to Science Dialogue series, please join that also. Join to LinkedIn group and keep in that. Don't leave that WhatsApp group. You all will get certificate, e-certificate in few days if you have attended. है ना? With this, if you have any other suggestion related to this, if you are competent to deliver live lecture, so you can also deliver on my Science Dialogue series. I have already requested Nasreen madam earlier and Hemant ji also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We will plan sometime in next semester.
ठीक
Surely.
है, जब भी होगा तब भी, है ना?
Yeah. Thank you.